How to get a girlfriend in 2023. Thankfully, you don't have to do some crazy new thing in 2023 to get yourself a girlfriend. What you need to do is something that's never going to go out of style. That's never going to stop working. And that is, you interact with a woman and make her feel sexually attracted to you. Don't just interact with a woman and try to get along with her. Try to connect with her or show her that you have good intentions with her and you want to be her boyfriend and so on. What makes a woman want to be your girlfriend or lover right away is when you interact with her and create sparks of sexual attraction inside of her. Now, it's not rocket science, right? It's pretty simple. When you interact with a woman and you display traits that are naturally attractive to women, women feel attracted to you, right? So, confidence, masculinity, social intelligence, humor, charm, charisma, and being a playful challenge. That might sound like a lot, it might sound difficult to some guys, but the reality is that if you interact with a woman and you display confidence, she's going to feel a natural default attraction for you. If you're also able to display additional traits, say for example, you're confident and you make her laugh, and you're also being a bit of a playful challenge while you're interacting with her, then she's going to feel a lot of attraction for you. And if you know how to add in masculinity into the mix, where you're being manly, you're being a man in the way that you think, the way that you talk, the way that you behave, the way that you treat her, and so on, then she's going to feel even more attracted to you. Guys who struggle to get a girlfriend don't focus on attraction. Instead, they focus on trying to be nice to the woman or try to get along with her, try to connect with her and see if they can find some things in common. And the guy hopes that the woman is then going to like him, right? She's going to say, oh, you're into that and I'm into that, so let's start a relationship, right? I want to be your girlfriend. That's not the way it works, and that's a difficult, rejection-prone way of trying to get yourself a girlfriend. If you want to get a girlfriend, you need to make sure that she first feels sexual attraction for you. And then, if you begin to connect with her, she then wants something to happen. Yet, if you're just talking to her and trying to get along with her, but she's not feeling sexual attraction, then a woman will look at you as a friend option, or she'll look at you as just another guy that she has met and doesn't have a sexual interest in. Right? So the difference between being her friend and her boyfriend is the sexual element, and you need to make sure that she's feeling sexually attracted to you in addition to creating a connection with her. One final point that I want to make for you in this video is that you should never think that you can't make a woman feel attracted when you start talking to her, right? You've got to remember that all sorts of guys are able to get themselves a girlfriend. They're able to display one or two traits that make women feel attracted and then move the interaction forward. So the guy may have been funny when he was interacting with her and she felt attracted to him, and then he had the courage to ask her out, right? He had the courage to make a move. Or he may have been confident and she felt attracted to that, and he was also a bit charming or charismatic, and then he moved it forward. You can do that too. So don't count yourself out and think that you can't get a girlfriend for whatever reason that you may have been holding on to, right? It's very simple. It's not rocket science. You just need to display some traits that are attractive and connect with the woman, and you then need to move things forward. Once you get to that next level, the real boyfriend-girlfriend relationship begins. Now, if you want to get loads of examples of how to attract women via text so you can get dates, sex, or a relationship, then I recommend that you watch my program, Text Attraction. If you want loads of examples of what to say and do when you're out there meeting women in person, whether you meet them at a bar or you meet them at a party, or it's a woman that you arrange to go on a date with, or you know a girl and so on, then I recommend that you read my ebook, The Flow, or listen to the audiobook version. Alternatively, if you want to watch some examples right now on YouTube, click on one of the videos on the screen to either learn about how to attract women via text or how to attract women in person.